What's up, y'all? I am treating myself. I'm at Tutti Frutti's, getting my favorite froyo in the whole wide world. I don't understand why this is so good. I've been having quite the week. You know, when you are in the midst of something great, when you are building something or rebuilding something, there's going to be growing pains. So I wanted to actually make this video and let you guys know to celebrate your wins. Celebrate every milestone. Because the thing that you think is not a milestone, it is. Some of you guys' milestone was just to simply tell someone no. And if that was your milestone, go and celebrate that. Because all it's going to tell you is to get you in the habit of being hopeful, grateful, and it is very, very encouraging to do so. The reason why I'm saying to celebrate every milestone, because I think we wait until something large or till it hits a certain capacity for us to actually celebrate it. And we expect an audience as well. We don't celebrate something until we have a audience. I'm here to let you know, you don't have to wait for that audience. My celebration was spending $7 on froyo. Sometimes getting through the week is a milestone, because some of us wanted to quit on Tuesday. It is Friday today. And when I reflect on what my week looked like, sometimes I can't even believe I got through the week. The life of entrepreneurship is not one that I imagined it to be. It's not sexy. Not the least bit. It's not sexy. But I think what's the most rewarding part of it is the fact that you get to see who you truly are. A mirror is put in front of your face. You either recognize yourself or you don't recognize yourself. And for some people, that's a good thing. For others, you are faced with the reality that there are things about you. You have, I don't want to say character flaws, but there are things that you have to die to. I am truly blessed to be in a space where I could even talk about this. Entrepreneurship is not for the weak, and that's the more reason why you have to celebrate milestones. Because if you don't celebrate those milestones, who will? I only have control of what I can do right now. And if all I can do right now is create content, project management, write, pray, apply for a job, you name it, whatever it is that you can do, only do just that. Because when you do, God blesses the do. Why focus on what you can do? Get equipped in the do first and what you can do right now so that the doors can open for the things that you don't know how to do. Trust me, there was a time where the things that you can do right now, you didn't even know how to do. Invest that time in the do. I kid you not, that has been the theme of this week. Doing what I know how to do. And what I know how to do has been blessed this week. I have seen the overflow when I focus on what I know how to do currently. The problem is whenever I step outside of what I know how to do, I start to think that I am in control. And I start to have expectations that it's supposed to be done by my will. And that's not how it's done. You will never get in the place of celebrating your wins or those milestones if you don't have me time, work on what you know how to do, and if you don't accept help. Understand, entrepreneurship is not a curse. It is not here to scare you. You can tell the depth of your platform or your gift when it keeps getting harder. Accept the challenge because you are more than capable of doing it. Get in a quiet place. Spend time with you and God. Do what you know how to do right now, not what you can't do. Spend time on what you can do and watch it blossom. And last but not least, you have to surrender. Let go of the control, release it. Those are the 3 things that I needed in order to celebrate my wins. Y'all be blessed and have a great day.